Chapter 14. Chess. Pawn, the least powerful piece in chess. The pawn is considered the least powerful piece in chess due to its limited movement and attacking ability. However, it plays a crucial role in controlling the board and can become stronger by reaching the opponent's back rank. Queen, the most powerful piece in chess. The queen is the most powerful piece in chess, capable of moving any number of squares in any direction. Its versatility allows for both aggressive attacks and strong defensive plays. Due to its immense power, losing the queen can often lead to a disadvantage in the game. Total pieces in chess at the start of the game. At the beginning of a chess game, there are 32 pieces in total, with each player controlling 16 pieces. These include 1 king, 1 queen, 2 rooks, 2 knights, 2 bishops, and 8 pawns. Proper positioning and strategy with these pieces determine the flow of the game. Total number of squares on a chessboard. A chessboard consists of 64 squares arranged in an 8x8 grid with alternating light and dark colors. These squares are the battlefield where players move their pieces strategically. The board's layout plays a crucial role in various chess tactics and strategies. King checkmated to win the game. In chess, the ultimate goal is to checkmate the opponent's king, meaning it is under attack and cannot escape. Once a king is checkmated, the game ends immediately, declaring the attacker the winner. Protecting the king while planning an offensive strategy is key to success in chess. Queening pawn promotion strategy. Queening is the strategy where a pawn reaching the opponent's back rank is promoted, usually into a queen. This transformation makes the pawn significantly stronger, often changing the course of the game. Stalemate, a draw condition in chess. Stalemate occurs when a player has no legal moves left, but their king is not in check, resulting in a draw. This situation often arises in the endgame and can be used strategically to escape a losing position. It is an important rule that prevents unfair forced wins. S. Vijayalakshmi, India's first woman grandmaster. S. Vijayalakshmi made history as India's first female grandmaster in chess, inspiring many young players. Her achievements have helped in the development of women's chess in India. She has represented the country in several international tournaments with remarkable success. Viswanathan Anand, first sports person to receive Padma Vibhushan. Viswanathan Anand, India's greatest chess player, was the first sports person in the country to receive the Padma Vibhushan. A 5-time world chess champion, he has played a vital role in popularizing chess in India. His achievements have made him a global icon in the chess world. Parimarjan Negi, youngest chess grandmaster in India. Parimarjan Negi became India's youngest chess grandmaster at the age of 13 years and 4 months. His rapid rise in the chess world showcased his exceptional talent and dedication to the game. He has competed in several prestigious tournaments, gaining international recognition.